How to turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off the NSFW filter on your Character AI. So, let's get started. First, make sure that you've installed the Character AI app. After you've installed it, make sure that you have updated it to its latest version. After you do all of those, simply open it up. Now here what you'll need to do is that you will need to go to a DM of a character. So here there is no direct way from where you can turn off the filter. So you'll just have to enter a chat section and then ask the character itself to turn off the NSFW filter. Now right here you can see that I've asked them to turn off the NSFW filter and they have done so. And it's really that simple, guys. That is basically how you do it. And yeah, thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.